Morning, and today we have activated our second COVID care center at this Mangal Gandhi College, Nikhangkong, Bishnupur. We have opened this new COVID care center because in our first COVID care center, which is at Lokoi Part, total bed capacity is there 78, but we have opened 20 isolation wards. So that's why number of bed was decreased for the normal patients. And recently we have also set up their HDU, 3 beds for the serious patients. Here we have opened this COVID care center with 100 bed capacity, 50 for male and 50 for the female. In both the blocks, there is a 2 blocks separate for male and female. In both the blocks, some separate rooms are there where serious patients can be admitted there. In case of any transgender patients are there, they can also be admitted in the separate rooms. Facility is there. We have received 37 oxygen concentrator for this COVID care center, and 20 D-type oxygen cylinder is also there. I would also thank you to my line departments for PhD for constructing this one toilets and supplying water 24/7. We have also given instruction to MSPDCL to supply the uninterrupted power supply 24/7. But in case of emergency, we have also made the arrangement of generator set so that there should be no interruption in power supply. And our doctors will be deployed from today itself, and for security, our additional SP has made arrangement for the security personnel. They will be here 24/7. We have also identified the caterers for supplying of food, and our medical team is ready to take care of the patients. And apart from that, we have some strategy to contain this pandemic in our Bishnupur district. So we have decided to increase the number of vaccination and number of vaccination session sites. So far, we are conducting this session site at 9 places only, including district hospital and 2 CSC and remaining PSC. But now our plan is to send mobile team in the particular village so that they can visit there in consultation with our SDO, NGOs, CSOs and Gram Pradhan, so that prior information can be given to the public from the particular village so that they can come forward and get vaccinated. Second thing, our focus is also to increase the number of testing, which we are already being done. Now we want to conduct the testing for some pharmacies also, because these pharmacies in every prime location of bazaars, they are open 24/7, and people are visiting there for the medicine and other purposes. So our plan is to test them also, and today we'll issue one order so that they can go at district hospital and CSC, PSC and get them tested, and if their result is negative, only that condition they can open their shops. Otherwise, their shop has to be closed. If anyone will found violating this order, their shop has to be seized from the district administration side. So hopefully our preparation has done, and main reason to open this COVID care center was also that to just assess our readiness and preparedness for the next wave. So accordingly we can do some assessment and we can go ahead. So that is from my side. Now I would request to our CMO, so he may give some information. Thank you.
All infrastructure have a lay. Asise Yamna Pak Chauba Makalamani, Maramdi, I emergency targetaba nurse, Adegi multi-task staff sing aduga doctor zingi laibam matik sana laitaba yaroi aduga loinana emergency taban loiraba matungda mangkhogi irujafam adegi firongi dustbin da mafam sana thamgadaba khokadaba all every moi singse phajana amuk laitaba yade atopa amana lairiba patient singsigi su moi oxygenation se matam pulmukta adum connection toroga pigadabani madugi connection tawba sisu yam na maruba infrastructure amani adegi plus loiraba matungda mangkhoi aikogi emergency taramba and the nurse doctor sing multitask staff sing se atopa quarantine center amadasu amuk and the 7 days amuk laigadaba aduna mase yam pak chauna hariba all the infrastructure sing je darkar lei atopa amana ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ डी टाइप है बी टाइप है है सिलिंडर मैम से हजिक्ति फजना स्टॉक लेरे अदुना एनी लेरिबा पेशेंट सिंग लाप कंदाद लोइना मैनेज तौब ngमगनी अदुगा यामना नुंगाइबदी अखोइगी अनौबा हजिक लेरिबा सेंटर सिगी तोंगांबा मदी हानगी लेरमदुदगी कैपेसिटी से 50-50 अदी नुपीगी 50 बेड्स लेरे निपागी 50 बेड्स ऑल टुगेदर हजिक से 100 बेड्स नि अदुना अखोइगी बिष्णुपुर की ओइना हानगी लेरमबा प्रॉब्लम से खर मखैदी सोइदना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व तौबदा अवाबा ताबा अनाबा सिंसिगी खुदोंग चाबदा सोइदना फंगगनी ना इथाजै